Let's go crypto investing, and we're going to get into the catastrophic flush that has happened in the cryptocurrency market, and the saga continues, and the bloodbath ensues as this bear market tightens, as crypto goes through its most historic collapse in cryptocurrency history, and it's on life support. Remember to comment down below, bell notification, like the channel, and subscribe, as Stewie Griffin's going to explain to you exactly what's happened with the lending bankruptcies.
Wager? Tomorrow night on Fox's Celebrity Boxing, I've got Carol Channing beating Mike Tyson in 3 rounds.
Carol Channing. You've got Carol Channing, the actress, beating Mike Tyson, the boxer. Hell, give me $50 on Tyson.
Money?
Huh? Oh, yeah, I'll pay you soon.
Yeah, well, here's a suggestion. Have the money by tomorrow and there won't be any problems.
Huh?
Yeah, 24 hours.
Why? What happens in 24 hours?
Jay. Yeah, that hurt? That hurt?
What the hell?
Yeah, it feels so good, does it? No, huh? Yeah, that's what happened.
It's being punched in the gut and kicked in the teeth, and its neck being snapped, and it is on life support as major companies this year, July 28, 2022, Factbox, the crypto crash hit these companies the hardest. Let's take a look at some of the liquidations and the money that's been lost, and the companies that have went belly up and bankrupt so far this year, as this is just starting, and there's going to be more and more of these to come as stable coins have went down. Luna Classic, we all know Luna Classic went down. Cryptocurrency sunk down 56%. Three Arrows Capital filed Chapter 11, Chapter 15th on July 1st. Tons of money, billions of dollars lost in that. The Three Arrows Capital went down in the stablecoin Terra USD Luna coin when they went belly up, right? And got fleece heisted and chisted by that criminal and charlatan that owned that company. Crypto lender BlockFi and Genesis Trading liquidation their positions with the firm, according to the court. And back in July, I warned you that BlockFi and Genesis were on bankruptcy watch and bankruptcy advisory. And if we simply scroll to this article real quick. There we go. If we scroll to this article real quick, you can see Gemini, BlockFi, Genesis announced new restrictions as FTX contagion spreads. And BlockFi and Gemini are going to file bankruptcy. BlockFi, I believe, in November 16th. They still haven't officially announced, but they are going to file bankruptcy. And I warned of that back in June when these companies were saying everything was fine. And the latest fallout, and this is November 16, 2022, FTX rapid collapse last week. The lending arm of the crypto investment bank Genesis Global Trading is pausing new loan organizations and redemptions, which means you can't get your money back or you can't generate a loan. The company announced, and they wouldn't have to do the first part of that because nobody's going to try to generate a loan with them right now. Announced in a thread of a tweet Wednesday, the lending arm of the bank service and institutional client base, and it's known as Genesis Global Capital. At the end of its third quarter, it had more than $2.8 billion in total active loans, and that's going to be $2.8 billion dollars that are lost by retail traders. And it's unfortunate because this was all things that were seen back here when they were stuck in the Three Arrows Capital disaster with the Luna Classic. Celsius Network was one that went a few days later on June 12th. Listed $1.19 billion deficit on its balance sheet. It had been valued at $3.25 billion as recent as October, right? And they went down, and they went down hard. And then Voyager, another major platform, went down 3.7 billion market cap last year, essentially went to zero as they filed bankruptcy in Chapter 11 on July 6th. That had 110 million worth of cash and crypto assets on hand. After being at 3.74 billion, they only had pennies on the dollar left over. And that was just the start of this catastrophic crippling bear market that's going on in crypto. And this is going to bring crypto, like I've been telling you, to its knees, and it's going to bring crypto on the verge of essentially the coins being just penny stocks and being worthless, and the underlying blockchain technology companies are going to separate from the coins, and then you're going to get the real innovation and the real next generation in the digital age that's coming. Singapore-based crypto lender Valid on July 8th, filed with Singapore Court for Protection Against Creditors after suspending withdrawals days earlier. As we told you, these exchanges suspend withdrawals, and then a few days later to a few hours later to a few weeks later, they file bankruptcy and they fleece, heist, and shiest your money. So when you started to hear this, I told you if you had money on any of these lending platforms, big or small, popular or otherwise, to get your money off these exchanges, because they were going to go down big and they were going to go down hard, and they've went down both big and hard. And you had, in the case of BlockFi and the recent FTX, you had 4 months to get your money out of there, and you sat there and not understood what was going on. Then BlockFi, 400 million revolving credit facility, and includes an open that enables FTX to buy the company. And BlockFi signed a deal with FTX, right? And now you see they're going under as we continue this devastating cryptocurrency bear market. And as we look at some of the coin updates, you can see Peter Schiff is again warning of a Tether run. It says Bitcoin may follow. You can see the Bitcoin price. Let's look at Tether